Hello everyone, and welcome to this example recording on voltage and current division. So in this example, we are required to determine the voltage Vx using voltage division. The voltage Vx we can see is the voltage across the 6 kilo ohm parallel combination. So we know that across these terminals the voltages should be the same, and therefore we can simplify this part of the circuit by putting these in parallel, the parallel combination, without necessarily changing the value of Vx. So if we simplify the circuit, we'll still have a 100-volt source connected to 4 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm, and then we need to get the parallel combination of 6 kilo ohm and 6 kilo ohm, and we know that if the values are the same, the parallel combination should give you half of the value, so that will give us a value of 3 kilo ohm. And we're looking for the voltage Vx. Right, so we can then determine that voltage by using voltage division, and voltage division says that the voltage over the voltage over the resistor you're looking for is going to give us a ratio of the resistance value over the sum of all the resistors in the circuit multiplied by the source voltage. So Vx is going to give us 3 over 3 plus, that's 6, that's 4, that's going to be 3 over 10 multiplied by 100 volts, which then gives us 30 volts. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy the course.